Okay, we're moving into lesson 3.3. We're going to be talking about Christ Church, air temperature in normal years. So, activity 2, we're modeling ocean currents near Christ Church. So, let's look at question 103 in your guided notes. Previously, you used the modeling tool to show how prevailing winds and the position of continents generally determine the direction of ocean currents. We've been investigating how currents move on a global scale, but we are also interested in one specific place, Christ Church. Today, we will focus on Christ Church specifically. You will model what determines air temperature in Christ Church during normal years. Okay, so you're going to model how prevailing winds affect the ocean current that passes Christ Church. You can place as many wind lines as you needed in your model. So as you can see, here's your prevailing wind lines down here, and going back, if you look up here, you want to make sure that you are in the correct model here. Okay, so guided notes question 103 still. You'll also add energy transfer arrows and thermometers to show how the surface and air temperatures are affected in Christ Church. So looking back on your notes, question 103, you do have a link here to get to your model. And then you'll just follow the directions and you'll take a screenshot at the end, which you can either do as a print screen, which is F8, and then hit Control V to post it into your notes, or you can use the snipping tool. Just search in your bottom bar for the snip tool and snip it and copy and paste it into there. Oop. Okay. So get that done. Pause the video. All right, next part, investigating the effect of changing winds. Okay, so next we're going to consider what can make Christ Church's air temperature change during an El Nino year. Let's see if a change in the prevailing winds could have caused this change. Okay, guided notes question 104. Okay, how can changes to prevailing winds affect the air temperature of a location? Get that put down in your guided notes, question 104. Okay, guided notes question 105. To investigate this question, we're going to use the sim in wind map mode. So make sure you clicked on the side and you got the wind map highlighted. Okay, what do you expect to see in the sim when the winds are changed? Okay, so we're going to complete 2 sim missions. Mission 1, find a location that has a warm ocean current passing by and change the wind so the air temperature becomes cooler. Mission 2, find a location that has a cold ocean current passing by and change the wind so the temperature becomes warmer. So again, looking at your guided notes, question 105, you have all the directions right here ready to go. Okay, using the 3 lines in the top left, go to the wind map, select surface temperature for your map, view at the top. I'm not going to read all of this to you, but you have it all right here. Make sure you are answering 105 little f. You have record the new air temperature here. What change did you make that ended up cooling the temperature at that location? And why did changing the winds affect the air temperature here? And you've got those same 3 questions for little f in part D. Okay, so for mission 2. So get those done. Pause the video and get it done. And this is actually the end of this video, so you can just stop the video.